Alright guys, guess what I have here? My juicer is here.
Hooray!
I ordered this like 3 weeks ago. I've been waiting patiently for that. Finally, it's here. So,
What?
check it out.
What
With
is
me.
that? No, what's that?
I will bring it out right now, okay? Let's open it.
I wonder what is inside.
Yeah, this is the packaging, right? So let's open it. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Do it.
Ooh, the juicer looks nice. I can see the part.
Are you ready?
Yes! I'm ready.
Alright, this is the packaging. Alright, that is it. So I can't wait to get that. Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Alright.
Look, it's nice.
Okay. That is the color I want it.
Ooh. Nice.
Alright, so
That's awesome.
that is awesome, right? So
Yeah.
this is red.
It's so awesome.
Alright. I guess
What's that part? I wonder.
this part?
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
this is
part.
gonna be the top.
The top of it?
Yeah. So this is the top. So I believe you see? So this is where we're gonna put the fruits here. Fruits or veggies. You put it here, then you blend.
Oh.
You know how I buy juice from the supermarket? Maybe Walmart, Aldi. Then what do I do before I give it to you guys? When I tell you guys to take juice, what do I do? I always tell you to put something to it, right?
Yeah.
So what do I tell you guys to add to it?
Water.
Water? Yeah, so now this is gonna be our homemade juice. So now we're not gonna be adding water to it. You know, I always ask you guys to put water,
And now
or I
we
put
don't
it
have-
myself because of sugar, right? To
Yeah.
dilute it so that you guys don't take a lot of sugar. But
And-
now with this, we're gonna be making our organic juice at home, homemade. So no added sugar. So now we're not gonna be adding water to your juice, right?
Yeah, and also we don't have to buy things from the store now.
Yeah. No more juice from the store. So now we're gonna be making it at home, and it's gonna be yummy, yummy. Then this is the hopper. So the anger head, the filler, and the bowl. This is the bowl. Okay. This is the bowl. This is the pusher. So this is the hopper. So the pusher goes in here. So it's gonna be pushing it. Whatever you put in here, it's gonna be pushing it, right? This is the base, and we have the 2 cups. So one is the pop cup, and one is the juice cup. So they put one here, so one is gonna be here. And yeah, this is for the juice, and this is for the pop. So when we do the juice, then the pop will come out. So from here we can empty it. Then the juice will be here. Then we can put it in the jar. I'm so excited, Zaza, right? And there's a brush here.
What's the brush used for?
Just to, wash it, clean it, okay? All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a
So-
toothbrush.
Yeah, it's for this juicer. All right. So that's everything that comes with it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So now, so this is the on and off. I just love it. Okay. So no more juice from the store. Take it out, Sasa. Take it out. No more juice from the store. Now we're gonna be making our own juice. Take it out. Take that one out. Right. Right. Let's go. Hey, I'm excited. Let's go. Hey, I'm excited. Let's go. Hey, I'm excited. Let's go. I am excited. Let's go.
Finally, no more juice for the door. Yes.
I'm excited. Let's go. All right. So this clicked. So now we're gonna put this clockwise. Okay. Boom. See? Now it's cool.
We made it.
Yay, made it. So that's cool.
And now it
Ready.
will fall off.
Now it won't fall off. Chooser.
Poker.
Poker. Good, good. And just plug it in. So let's wash it and we go. So no more juice from the store. Now we're gonna make our own juice.
Yes.
I see a lot of people do this. So I think it's the healthier route. All right, so that's why I decided to buy it. So we can make it at home. All right. So I'll show you guys when we're making it. Okay. All right. Give me 5. All right. See you later.
Yeah.